Hello everyone, this is Shubham Solanki from AVS Institute of Technology. This is our final presentation. Our topic is eye tracking based fatigue monitoring and warning system. Our project ID is 2016CSE PID01. This is table of content. It contains vision and mission, objectives, research motivation, existing system, proposed system, library used, algorithm used, snapshots, research paper details, and references. So now first of all we see vision and mission of computer science department. Vision is to provide excellence by imparting knowledge to the learners, enabling them to become skilled professionals. And mission is to provide quality education in field of computer science, motivate learners for higher studies and research oriented activities. Now we see the objective of our project. Fatigue warning system has been responded as specific countermeasures to reduce collisions associated with driver fatigue. This device employs a variety of techniques for detecting driver drowsiness while operating a vehicle and signal a driver when critical drowsiness levels are reached. However, the detection of driver fatigue using valid and objective measures remains a significant challenge. Detection techniques may use lane departure, steering wheel activity, ocular or facial characteristics. Now, this is research motivation. In the world, people and goods travels from one place to another by buses, trains, cars, scooter, rickshaw, cycles, etc. This movement of goods and individuals is very important in business, so that raw materials can reach the place of manufacture, finished products reach the place of sale or consumption, and individuals move around to manage the businesses, etc. It is associated with every step of our life. Without transport, we as well as business units cannot move a single step. We find that basically transport is possible through land, air, or water. On land, we use trucks, tractors, etc. to carry goods, trains, buses, cars, etc. to carry passengers. In air, we find airplanes, helicopters to carry passengers as well as goods. Similarly, in water, we find ships, steamers, etc. to carry goods and passengers. All these are known as various means of transport. Now, existing driver fatigue detection system. First of all, facial recognition. Some facial recognition algorithms identify faces by extracting landmarks or features from an image. For example, an algorithm may analyze the relative position, size, and shape of the eyes, nose, cheekbones, and jaw. These features are then used to search for other images with matching features. Other algorithms normalize a gallery of face image and then compress the face data, only saving the data in the image that is useful for face detection. A probe image is then compared with the face data. One of the earliest successful systems is based on the template matching technique applied to a set of silent features, providing a sort of compressed face representation. Now, second one is three-dimensional recognition, a newly emerging trend claimed to achieve previously unseen accuracies. Is three-dimensional face recognition. This technique uses 3D sensors to capture information about the shape of a face. This information is then used to identify distinctive features on the surface of a face, such as the contour of the eye, sockets, nose, and chin. Even a perfect 3D matching techniques could be sensitive to expressions. For that goal, tools are applied from metric geometry to treat expressions as isometrics. Another emerging trend is the skin texture analysis, which uses the visual details of the skin as captured in standard digital or scanned images. This technique turns the unique line, patterns, and spots apparent in a person's skin into a mathematical spaces. Now our system. Now that the proposed method, eye detection system. The method that we are used in this project is the detection of eyes. The drowsiness of drivers is detected through the positioning of eyes of drivers or on the basis of eye aspect ratio. For every video frame, the eye landmark are detected. The eye aspect ratio between height and width of the eye is computed. That is, eye aspect ratio can be calculated by the given formula, that is mod of P2 minus P6 plus mod of P3 minus P5 divided by twice of mod of P1 minus P4. Now the library used by the system is OpenCV, that is OpenCV library used to convert image to the matrix and filter the image to grayscale. Scapy, that is scientific Python, used to calculate the Euclidean distance between the points. Now third one is Geomultis, used to capture and extract face frames from the live videos. Now fourth one is Emultis.face utils. This is used to extract face from the frame. Now fifth one is Delib. Delib is used to implement the PCA and LDA algorithm. Now sixth one is NumPy. NumPy is numerical Python. It is used for matrix calculations. Now algorithm used in this project are OpenCV, open source computer vision library, is an open source computer vision and machine learning software library. OpenCV was built to provide a common infrastructure for computer vision applications and to accelerate the use of machine perception in the commercial product. Features of OpenCV: read and write images, capture and save videos, process images, perform feature detection, detect specific objects such as faces, eyes, cars in the videos or images, analyze the videos, that is, estimate the motion in it, subtract the background, and track objects in it. Now, facial landmark detection in OpenCV. Landmark detection starts with face detection, finding faces in the image and their extents. Facial detection has long been considered a solved problem, and OpenCV contains one of the first robust face detectors freely available to the public. In fact, OpenCV in its early days was primarily known and used for its fast face detection features. So these are the snapshots of our projects. This is the detail of our research paper. And these are the certificates provided by the Journal of Jiang University of Architecture and Technology. This is our research paper, eye tracking based driver, fatigue monitoring and warning system. This research paper published in Journal of Jiang University of Architecture and Technology. These are the references which we take in our project. So this is the working of our project. Here when the eye aspect ratio below down 20 count, then it's create an alarm. So we see here. So this is all about the project. So thank you very much.